my name is Laura. I'm the principal dentist of the Town Dental. Um, I've been in the dentistry for over 23 years. I'm specializing in dental implants, cosmetic dentistry like veneers. I'm happy to do dentures for you. Our dental practice is very modern. We use digital technology, 3D scans, and we do digital dentures. If you're not sure which treatment is the best for you to achieve your dream smile or your dental health, you can come and chat to us. We're happy to discuss the different options. And most of our patients, they become like friends to us. We're here to help to achieve your dream smile, ensure your dental health is for life. Come and speak to us.